Loyalty to a Leader by Aaron Adams. Abraham Lincoln was assassinated on April 14, 1865, just 5 days after Union troops defeated the Confederacy in the Civil War. Americans reacted to his death in many different ways. Two men who reacted to Lincoln's assassination with determination were Henry Rathbone and Edwin Stanton. Major Henry Rathbone was determined not to let Booth flee Ford's Theater. Chasing Lincoln's Killer describes how Rathbone attempted to stop Booth. First, Rathbone lunged for Booth, grabbing him by the coat. The author also states that Rathbone refused to stop fighting Booth, even after Booth injured him. Finally, Rathbone shouted to the audience to stop that man as the assassin fled the theater. Although Rathbone worked hard to stop Booth, Booth was still able to escape. Secretary of War Edwin Stanton was also determined to capture Booth. According to Tracking an Assassin, Stanton questioned witnesses from the theater, who identified John Wilkes Booth as Lincoln's assassination. Additionally, Stanton ordered police officers and soldiers to guard bridges and search trains for the fugitive. Stanton's efforts helped capture Booth and his accomplices. In conclusion, both Henry Rathbone and Edwin Stanton reacted to Lincoln's assassination with determination. Both men worked tirelessly to capture John Wilkes Booth. Their actions show the respect and admiration they must have had for their president.